Well, good morning guys and welcome to the show. We are in Dallas at Knowledge Fest and we have another cool car we're going to take a look at. I know you guys are excited about this car because it's one of those cars that, well, we do, but we don't see a lot of them. And this guy's done an amazing install. And I say this guy, let's head over there and we'll introduce him to you. Good morning.
Morning.
It is morning.
It is morning.
It's very morning. So let's talk about this. But before we do that, introduce yourself for us.
I'm Robert Riley with HKI USA. We handle Ground Zero and Sound Digital.
And what are we looking at today?
Today we have our 2016 Volkswagen GTI with a host of Ground Zero hydrogen components and subs.
Well, this thing looks like it's really compact and utilitarian. Tell me what your thoughts were here.
Well, we were trying to squeeze as much into a small space as possible, keeping all the utility available. So spare tire intact, ability to throw in large amounts of bottled waters and everything else that a family needs and not give up any of that ability.
Wow, that's a tall order.
So in this case we have the Ground Zero Hydrogen 10-inch shallow. It's the GZHW25S for shallow. We have 3 of them in this configuration. They're 4-inch mounting depth, extremely shallow, very powerful little woofers, and we're able to fit 3 in this configuration.
What are you powering them with?
We're powering this with the Ground Zero Competition 3000.1 subwoofer amplifier.
Wow. What are we powering the rest of the system with?
On the front stage, we're powering this with the Ground Zero Hydrogen Mini 4. It's 4x80 watts RMS, running active to the front stage.
Now I see it has the factory radio in it. What are you integrating with?
It's really simple. This is just speaker line out into Ground Zero DSP 6-8.
Well, let's hop inside and take a listen. Before we listen to it, let's talk a little bit about what you ended up going with for speakers.
Okay, yeah, and the front stage is Ground Zero Hydrogen components, the HC165s. It's a new model, been completely redone. Cast baskets on this new model, 1-inch soft dome, large chamber on the tweeters, so it's got a lower FS. It's a great combo.
Whoever's doing the new tweeters is just knocking it out of the park, because I mean we had uraniums. And that was a very amazing tweeter, so I'm really anxious to hear what this one does. All right, well, let's just jump into the listen so you guys can hear what these things sound like. Crap.
Right?
Yeah. So I mean that's a ton of power, man.
Oh yeah.
I mean, dude, how do you know how big the box was?
It's about 2.2
total.
Total.
Mono chamber or
1 chamber, 1 amp.
Yeah.
So they're seeing about 700 watts a piece.
Jesus.
They can take more.
That's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough.
I mean, how much of a bass head you are.
There's only 4 speakers up front here. Okay, I mean, you know.
I'll give you that.
Holy crap. Dude, these things pound. If you get the opportunity to check out these new Ground Zero shallows, you're definitely going to want to do it. I mean, the vehicle, every time you guys bring out a vehicle that has those, last time you had the Vanderhall, and it's like, holy crap. And yeah, they're impressive for sure. And I love the way these sound. These have a great, like that, it's almost becoming that new Ground Zero sound. Like you guys are getting almost a signature. Yeah, almost a signature.
Yeah, definitely.
Is it Peter's fault?
I'm gonna blame Peter.
But which Peter?
It doesn't matter.
I know, it's Peter. That's safe. Yes, you're right, that's safe. It's Peter's fault. Dang you, Peter. We love you. Anyways, hey guys, thank you so much, and thank you for sharing your morning with us and letting us hear this.
Appreciate it.
He's of course going to interrupt us while we're shooting live.
It's just how it goes.
I know. Hey guys, thank you so much as always for watching. You guys have a nice night. We'll see you later next time. Bye.